Hi guys, welcome to Nay's Days. I am Nay. So this is something that you guys will never see again. Actually, you guys, I don't think you've ever seen it yet. But I am doing a cooking video. Strange, I know, it sounds strange to me. But I saw this recipe on Facebook and it looked so delicious and I wanted to share it with you guys. It's called Pizza Cone Ring. It looks absolutely delicious and kind of like those Pinterest you try to recreate. Well, I'm gonna try to recreate this pizza ring. And I hope it tastes good and I hope it looks good, but only time will tell. So let's get started. So, directions. I'm not really good with directions, but we're going to try it. Preheat the oven at 180 degrees Celsius, 360 Fahrenheit. So let's bake, let's 360, right, 360. Boop. So let that warm up while we get ready. So we just need a few things. I'm gonna list the ingredients in the description below. Thank you, baby. All right, so it says we need 16 tortilla wraps, which I have right here. We need 500 grams of pizza sauce, which I have right here. We need 4 packs of sliced mozzarella. Well, I didn't get that, but it's okay. We need pepperoni. We need grated mozzarella. And then I also got Fiesta blend. So we're gonna kind of give it a little bit of a spice. Okay. So we preheat the oven, amazing. Cut the tortilla in half down the middle. You need a circle pizza tray, and then you also need something to go in the middle. So I'm gonna turn this upside down, put it right here, so you guys can see where to place them. And before I put it in the oven, I'm actually gonna take that off. Okay, so let's put that to the side. I already wiped down my counter. You can use any type of tortilla. I decided just to get the Mission Homestyle tortilla. It says soft and fluffy. So. Ooh, nice and soft. I did it easier, look, instead of doing one by one.
Oh, wow, that works.
This one only has 10 in it, so I have to open up another one. And we're also having tacos tonight, so then we can just use the rest of the taco shells for that. We're just gonna cut it just like that. This looks like a lot. Look at all that. Okay. So we open it up and it looks like all I have to do is just put Can I have a bowl for this?
What size?
Doesn't matter.
Like this.
Yeah, that's fine. Do you have another one for the other one? Do we have any extra ones? So we got the grated mozzarella right here. And I'm gonna put the Fiesta blend in another one just so it's easier. And guys, make sure before you cook or anything like that, make sure you wash your hands. we got the 2 cheeses right here. And let's get started. So you want to grab your spoon, grab the pizza sauce. Probably should have put something down just so I don't make a mess. And that's why I'm not wearing white, because I get messed up. Okay, so it looks like you spread it. And then we're gonna put some fresh mozzarella. So it's kind of like you're making a pizza, but you're just going to roll it up. Margate, stop. Okay, the oven just turned on. I'm going a little bit slow. It's okay, first time. And then all you do is just kind of roll it. Just like this. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad.
There you go.
And then you're going to place it on here and kind of like do it around. So we're going to do that right now. The reason that I don't cook is because it takes way too long. I don't like preparing. I don't have time for it. So I will see you guys soon. Hi guys, so I finished the first layer. It took me a lot longer than it should, but like I said, it is my first time, so I am not sure if I'm doing it right. But what I decided to do was do half pepperoni and half just cheese, because Brady and I don't really like pepperoni. So the next step is to put cheese kind of like on, just layering. I'm going to put the Fiesta cheese, and I'm also going to put the mozzarella cheese. So when you pull them apart, it's nice and stringy. Let's put some more. Why not? Who doesn't like cheese? All right, so I'm going to get started on the second row. So let's get started. And I will see you guys soon. All right, guys, so look, I did it. Oh, not the trash. But I have half pepperoni, half cheese. I use 16 shells. I have a little bit more cheese here, so why not sprinkle that on top? Like I said, can't go wrong with cheese. And now I'm going to put this beauty in the oven. All right, I always like to make sure I double check, triple check the list to make sure I did it right. So preheat the oven, check. Cut the tortilla in half in the middle, check. Spread half with the pizza sauce, you guys saw that. The mozzarella, the pepperoni. Roll each into a cone shape. I did that. Lay them into a ring. I took the bowl out so then it looks just like this with an open center. Sprinkle with more mozzarella. Of course, guys. Repeat 3 layers. Remove the jar. Bake for 20 minutes. All right. So let's take these beauties and put it into the oven. All right. So they are in there. Let's set the timer. Apparently I don't know how to use my oven. Timer, there you go. Too many buttons. All right, 20 minutes. Let's do it and see how it looks. All right, come back in 20 minutes. Go. All right, guys, so let's see what it looks like. Whoops, sorry, babe. Oh my gosh, I think it's done.
Oh.
Let's turn it off. I don't even know where to get it. Babe,
Come
can
on.
you get it for me?
Come on, strong
Come
man.
on, Booster. What are you doing?
It's hot. I don't
Okay,
know.
so slide it around a little bit.
The struggle is real.
Yeah, really.
It's gonna be heavy.
It
It
is.
is heavy.
So where's the other popper?
Hi, Bort. Food for me.
Oh my
Where you
guys,
putting that
look at
at?
that. Just hold it for a second.
It's hot.
Yeah, I bet.
Really hot. What is that?
Alright guys,
Okay, I'm out.
all I have to do is just put the ranch dressing and then we're done. Alright guys, since I put too much in here, I'm just going to put ranch into a bowl. There is a special dip that you guys can make, but this looks delicious, so I'm going to show you guys. Oh, it's a little bit warm. Pull it apart. Let it cool off. They look delicious. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you check out this recipe and tweet at me if you tried it and how yours turned out. So hope you guys have a Merry Christmas. Always think positive, never give up, live life to the fullest, and I will see you when I see you. Bye.